acquired 10,000 air conditioners, Esquire.
Now, what about the air conditioners?
I've acquired 10,001 air conditioners,
I have acquired 10,002 air conditioners,
That's a lot of air conditioners. Why do you need so many?
I have acquired 10,003 air conditioners, Esquire. I have acquired 10,004 air conditioners, Esquire. I have acquired 10,005 air conditioners, Esquire.
I doubt anyone would want to eat your dump even if it was freezing cold inside.
I have acquired 10,006 air conditioners, Esquire. I have acquired 10,007 air conditioners, Esquire. I have acquired 10,008 air conditioners, Esquire.